morning everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the Falcon 64 project. Today I got a project going on, removing the heater box. I want to start this off first with I'm in the process of rebuilding this car, so I have the engine out, the hood off, the cowl off, all the interior out of the car. So this will be a little easier project working in the tight spaces than if somebody was removing the heater box out of a operating fully car. So but anyways, this will at least show you the steps and what I find while I'm removing this heater box. So to start off, I want to show you where we're going to start off. As you see, I got everything out. So I'm going to start off with removing these 4 bolts around the fan. I got to start off by removing the wiring, disconnecting it. So this is a process that I am doing right now. Is like I said, I'm removing everything out of it. That way I can break it down, paint it, and so I'll be listing all these. I've been putting a piece of tape around it so you can see, like over here, I got the yellow bumper light. I got it all labeled, so that way when I come back and put it all in, I know exactly where it goes to. So I gotta label that. But anyways, you gotta remove these 4 bolts, and I'll do that, and then I'll bring you back in and I'll label those. So then we'll be moving into the car. Now, I've been spraying these with a PB Blaster. I like to just hit them again right before I remove these. That way they got a little lubrication on them. Like I said, you see, I got tons of room to work here. If I did not have the motor out, it would be tighter in here, so you would have to deal with that. That's one thing I gotta say about using PB Blaster on this stuff, is by pre-lubing them and letting it soak on there, they come right off pretty much. I have ran into some problems, but anyways, I'll get this removed and then we'll move inside and see what we got from there. So as you see, I got the bolts off. They're just a little cap bolt with a little rubber inside. I got the wires undone. I do need to label those here soon. I did want to bring up the point that down here, try to get it shown really well where my hand is, there is a ground wire and it goes right here. So these were 7/16 and then this was a 3/8. So you got to get that one undone too. Alright, well I'm going to get those labeled and I'll bring you back when we get inside. Alright, as you can see, I pushed the car out so I can get more light inside so we can see what's going on. So right now we have this connection here to get rid of the cable up here, and then it should just really, looks like it's going to pull on out. I got another one here. So on these hoses, they just pull straight out. I'm gonna cut them because mine has been, it's been disconnected ever since I've owned the car. So I'm gonna cut them outside, just to make it easier. I don't have to pull all that. Actually, maybe. Yeah, it's just gonna come right on out. All right, I'll go get a 1/4 inch, pop these loose and just pull it straight on out. And then I'll show you the box. So these just adjust the vents so they work. Should just pop right off the top. They're pretty well rusted on. I don't know if you've seen any of my other videos, but I got this car from an old man and a nice guy, but it sat underneath his oak trees in the backyard for shoot at least 15 years, I want to say. and that's the reason I'm dealing with a lot of rust. The floors were rusted out, and now I just got rust everywhere. But anyways, these should just pop off. The car wasn't covered up or anything, but you can tell by looking at the controller here. You could buy this all new, so I'll have to get another one of these. And anyways, now we just pull these on through, and it'll be ready to come on out. So the plenum here, the heater plenum, is all cardboard. I had it originally in the car. When I was cleaning it out, it just crumbled and fell right apart. So as you can see, that needs to be replaced. And you can still buy those pieces. So in fact, you can buy this whole box. This box has been pretty well beat up. I don't know where I am with it. I need to tear it all down, clean it all up. I know it's full of leaves because when I got it, I opened this up and this is just full of leaves. So anyways, that is how you remove the heater box. What I decided to do is go ahead and bust this on down so I can see what I got with it, what needs to be replaced. So I'm gonna start off with removing these hose clamps. There's go. Now these clips should just pop right off. And basically they're just keeping this thing together. Now I know, I'm assuming the heater box or the heater core is bad since they had it disconnected. So there goes one. So really all you should have to do is pop this off. Right. Now looking at this, you can tell it is just rotted out. I was wondering if I could get away with doing some fiberglass repair on it, but what I'll probably end up doing is just buying a whole new one. I want to say you can buy this whole kit for 180 bucks. I'm not positive on that, but definitely need to check in on that. So yep, I'm just popping these clips off. And this is what we got. The heater core. You can tell the way it looks. She is in bad shape. And then, of course, the trash that came along with it. That's free, no extra cost. Fan motor does seem to spin, so I'll probably hook that up to the power and see what goes on with that. Well, that is how you bust it apart. As you can tell, this is where the plenum kicks in. This is the original one, so that needs to come off. As you can tell, it's just ripping. It's just a cardboard type of material. And you can buy these too. So, anyways, just wanted to add that in there since this video is not going to be too long, and show you what I got inside. And what it takes to pull it apart. Y'all have a great day. Please like and subscribe.